I'm Kimmy Boutiki. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining us today. I am going to give you my favorites for the month of June. So I'm just going to show you the products that I've been using consistently, that have been working for me, that are my go-tos right now, that I recommend, highly recommend that you get your hands on. And most of them, of course, are affordable because that's just what I've been about. I am going to start with skincare. Insert picture here because I only have the box with me. So this is the Mary Kay skincare set, and this is the Time Wise Repair. This is their ultra luxury line. It's like the highest end line that they have. Basically, the skincare has retinol in it, and everything is for firming and keeping your skin nice and young and tight, honey. Yes, that's what I need right now. My smile lines are coming a little bit more noticeable, so I'm like, oh, I need to up my game a little something. So that retinol is supposed to be with all that, and I've been using that every day, and I really enjoy it. I didn't break out from it. I have really sensitive skin. Like Proactive doesn't even work on me. Like I get swole up. I have super sensitive skin. I can't over exfoliate for too many days in a row. My skin gets raw really easy. It comes with 5 full-size products. It retails for I think $200, maybe a little teensy more than $200, but it's going to last you a long time. Compared to other skincare that has those same ingredients in it that are high end, I think you're getting a good value with that. Moisturizer skincare item I love. It's this Glam Glow Glowstarter highlighting moisturizer. It's an illuminating moisturizer. I love this for when I don't want to wear any makeup. I'm always putting on something that glows on my skin. I just feel a little bit more myself. I feel a little bit more boutique-y, you know what I'm saying? Like when my skin looks moisturized, it has actual sheen to it. This smells like so edible. It smells like so delicious. Like candy, like... It smells like candy, guys. Like, I just want to squirt it in my mouth. It smells so freaking good. And that's another reason I love it. This is a nude glow. They do have different colors. I use this on top of my regular moisturizer, so I don't actually use it as a moisturizer. I kind of use it as a topper because it has illuminating properties in it. I've been traveling with it because you see how small it is. And I use it all the time because I don't wear makeup every day. I have one favorites for hair. I just added something to my arsenal to help me with these edges, honey. So I went and picked up the Got To Be hairspray. This is a glued blasting free spray. So I still use my Eco Gel and any other cream I'm putting in my hair, which is usually the Shea Moisture Curl Pudding. But lately I've been using edge control and it just doesn't seem like to be holding down my edges, and it's so frustrating. Even though I normally don't care about my edges, like it's not a big deal. And I've kind of been deterred because I'm like, no matter what I do, they don't stay down. So I picked this up, and honey, let me tell you, after you put your Eco, you slick it down. Before you tie it down, put some of this hairspray over it and comb it, you know, brush it into the edges. Girl, these edges ain't going nowhere. And I feel like it don't even feel that like crunchy or anything. Edges is laid down. They stuck together, girl. That's what I needed. I've been using a Wet n Wild Dewy Face Primer ever since I did that Wet n Wild one brand tutorial. That link is here or there. I forget which side it goes on. You know how that goes. I'll put my moisturizer. I'll put this on the glow starter on top. And then I will put this glowy primer on top. I use the primer when I'm actually going to add a little bit of powder illuminator highlighter. This is like my natural face with a next step. I'm still not wearing foundation or anything like that, but I really want to glow. I really want to be doing the most. I really want to be extra boutique-y. Such a beautiful sheen to it. So now it's kind of settling into the skin. See my hand, like let me compare them. You see, it just gives it like a healthy glow. And it doesn't set sticky or anything like that. It almost feels like another freaking moisturizer. And again, I have dry skin. So anything that feels like it's moisturizing my skin, it's for me. Just going to put a little teensy on the back of the hand of the glow starter. Again, it gives it a glow. Like, see, now they're both like sheeny. I layer all these illuminating products on my face because they're moisturizing, and I'm all good with that. My powder highlighter of choice, meaning like if I had to like get rid of all the ones I have and be stuck with one, it would be my Amrezy highlighter with Anastasia Beverly Hills. I love this highlighter so much. I feel safe with this highlighter. I feel like it's not going to shatter. Like whatever formula it is, it feels very solid in the pan, and I really appreciate that. It's just, for me, the perfect amount of gold, no glitter. It just goes on really like wet looking for me. It just lays so beautifully in my skin. After I do this and I do a gloss, I'm out the door. Like that is my full natural yet glowing, illuminated, highlighted to the gold skin. That's a no makeup day for me. I just do a lot of bouncing that light off the skin, honey, you know what I'm saying? So now when I want to be beat to the gauze, like I actually want to cover everything, I'm using my Fenty foundation. is like my little baby. I love it so freaking much. The coverage. Yes, this is a matte foundation, and yes, I have super dry skin, but I just told you all the layers of moisture I put on my skin. So this does not suck me dry or anything like that. It's actually, for me, very comfortable wear for my super dry skin. Ooh, damn. Morph just flew. I have to show you my favorite concealer is the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. For the price, the coverage, the wear, the lastability, it to me is the ultimate concealer. It has everything I need for it to do and then some. So for $6, I'm racking up on these. This is like my third one right now. This is the color medium 28. I don't wear like a crazy ton of makeup, so when I wear makeup, like, it has to work. And when I change something and I notice a difference, I know it's working. I'm really trying to experiment and try out new products. This habit is expensive though. How you guys be doing it though? How much you be? What's your budget though? Okay guys, so that is all I have for all my absolute favorites that I've been using for the past month, 2 months. I've been using them consistently, so I really love those products. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you would like to see more favorite videos from me. I definitely plan on doing these every month to keep you guys up to date on what I'm trying and what I'm actually liking and what I recommend for you to spend your hard-earned coins on. So, you know, we gotta help each other out. You know, I'm here for you, girl. Boy, I got you. If you made it to the end of this video, though, who are you? You made it to the end, though. I love you. It really helps me out so much. What emoji you guys want to leave? Leave me a heart eye emoji. That's letting me know you're watching to the end. I'm assuming you enjoyed it. If you're new, you want to join the family and keep coming back, you're going to hit that red subscribe button and that little bell next to it so that you are notified of every Kimmy Boutiki upload. I would love to see you again and again and again. Keep on coming back, gang, gang, gang. I love you. I hope you're feeling good. You have good health, happiness, and of course, wishing welcome to all of you, aka Boutiki, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. And of course, if you're still here and you got another 5, 10, 15 minutes, all right now, you're somebody special. You're going to go ahead and watch a couple of videos. Stay with me just a little bit longer. You know, I can't sing. Let me not even try to embarrass myself. But go ahead and spend a little bit more time with me. I appreciate you. And I'll see you soon, hopefully. Like right now. Wait.